We said when we released the original schedule that we would continue to provide updates to the community. 6 months is a logical window to do that in, and really this is about informing the whole of the community of what to expect, what's coming, how we're travelling against our demolition targets. Of course, it doesn't replace the individual work we'll continue to do with the former owners about their particular block. Well, we're using the format that we used last time, so there's maps across the whole of the city that can then be drilled down to suburb level. We're talking still in 6-month scheduling windows so that there's room for us to manage the individual contracts within that time frame. And it really is about giving people a sense of what to expect, which is the first step of the communication that will happen as we start actually letting contracts in particular suburbs. The target for this year is 200, and that means at some point in 2016 more than a quarter of the houses will be demolished. So far there's been around 30 that have been demolished this calendar year, and we'll continue to work with the contractors to get through the rest of that demolition task as quickly as we safely can. Well, the most obvious change on the published maps this time is we have included more properties that have been surrendered since we published the list in August. It continues to be the case that it's only those properties that have actually been surrendered that are given a firm time and appear on the materials, but all of the owners of affected properties will be receiving letters from the task force indicating the indicative scheduling windows for their properties. One of the other changes this time is we've made interactive maps available online so people can explore not only their suburb activity but the activity in the areas surrounding them or indeed across the whole of the city.